I love it when a car comes with this much documentation. We got a thick pile of receipts and good information on this car right here. Sold new in New Mexico. So good, dry, clean car. Has the original owner's manual pouch with the manuals, has the build sheet in here. So anyway, what we've got is a 1972 Nova. It has a 454 built motor. It's got a 4-speed, a 373 posi, power steering, power disc brakes, restored very nicely front to back. Has the SS package on it. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the information. Take your time and look at over 100 pictures top to bottom. And that's where you'll find a price tag on every car, including the monthly finance option. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified when the next video is posted. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. All right, underneath the car, like I said, it's a New Mexico car. The floors, the frame rails, the pinch welds on the rockers, all that looks to be in really nice shape. Front end has been gone through. I could identify several components that look fresh, ball joints, pitman arm, even the spindles, a lot of new parts up there. It has frame connectors going front to back that helps prevent the body twist from the torque. It does have competition engineering traction bars back here. It has air shocks. It has new 5-leaf springs with new bushings, so the rear suspension's been completely redone and upgraded. Great sounding Flowmaster dual exhaust, which you'll hear in a little bit. Disc brakes in front, that all looks new. The calipers, all of that looks new. E-brake is hooked up. I think the cables even look new. You look up at the motor, the engine block itself is still real nice and clean. The freeze plugs are clean. And it has an anodized oil pan that looks brand new. The high torque starter looks new. We have receipts for a rebuilt Muncie M21 4-speed, was completely rebuilt. Hurst competition shifter. The clutch was replaced and all the related parts. The drive shaft was rebuilt. The rear end was completely rebuilt. It's a 10-bolt with a 373 Eaton posi in the rear end. So underneath this car is very well sorted, clean, solid, got some good stuff. Now let's check out the body. I'm standing here looking at a hood that's straight, clean. I don't see dents or damage. Lines up beautifully, fits real well. Side of the car is absolutely straight, all nice and clean metal, all the way to the bottom. No bubbles, no rust. This lines up real good. No issues here. All nice, straight. The rockers are really clean. It's all real nice all the way underneath here. Straight, no damage. I have no complaints about the body at all. Trunk, same thing. Lines up beautifully. Yeah, it's all nice and straight. Looked on the sides of the car. The gaps line up. It's just as good as the other side. The paint, polished beautifully. It's a red glossy finish. I did notice a little tiny nick. Oh, no, that wiped off. Problem solved. Slick. I don't see cracking. I don't see shrinking. I don't see issues with the paint. It's shiny all the way down to the rockers. Beautiful paint. So it has the SS grills on the hood. They look like new. The emblems, the marker lights look new. I noticed the glass is all crystal clear. They replaced all the glass in the car, all the window seals and felts, the rubber, it's all replaced. All this anodized trim, the stainless trim, that all has been replaced. Now that it's coming around in front, the bumper, the grille, the front lower spoiler, all that, the trim, all that's been replaced. It's got bow tie mirrors on each side, new shiny door handles. 15-inch Cragar SS wheels. They're 15x7s in front, 15x8 in back. You know, the Cragars with the traction bars, the stance, it gives it a nice old school hot rod look. And what a better old school hot rod, a grandma's grocery getter Nova with a big block engine under the hood and a 4-speed. So it's coming around the back. The tail panel, the emblem, the SS trim, the bumper, it's all been replaced. So, and the vinyl top is new. So exterior of the car, it's show quality. Why don't we open it up, see how the inside measures up. All right, let's see what a Nova trunk looks like. Clean and complete. Bottom of the trunk lid, glossy, has the sticker. The jam is painted real nice. The weather strip is replaced. Now the whole trunk compartment, all nice, clean, tidy metal with a neatly applied spatter finish paint. It has a new mat, it has a complete jack and spare. Tires not been used. The tire matches the tires on the car. Painted rim. So nice, clean, and complete engine compartment. I got this car from a real good seller. He's been a body man all of his life. So, I mean, he wouldn't have owned this car if the body was not up to par. So the jams are nice. The weather strips are replaced. Door panels have been replaced, including the armrests. And looking at the dash, it's a nice, clean dash area. It does have a tachometer mounted on the column, with a gauge cluster down below, and there's a retro stereo put in the factory location. Has a cigarette lighter and the ashtray, and the glove box is clean. Dash pad is nice. Carpets are replaced. You got the Hearst shifter with the T-handle, embroidered floor mats. Cushions in the seats are replaced. They're real nice and firm and makes the upholstery fit real nice. The back seat's upholstered and the side panels, all that's real good. Got some 6x9 speakers in back. Headliner fits tight like a drum. Light works, visors look like they're redone. The mirror looks like it's new. So nice interior. This area right here, I should point out, there's a couple little holes drilled and a little plug right there. Now that's a motor. It's a 454. It's been bored out. It's been rebuilt, bored, balanced, and dyno tuned. It's a 468 cubic inch now. It was dynoed at 401 horsepower, 421 pounds of torque. It has power forged pistons, a comp cam, roller timing set, balanced flywheel. Up on top we got an Edelbrock. It's a aluminum 750 Holley carb. Well, the bowls are aluminum. HEI distributor in back. Some nice Mickey Thompson vintage style valve covers. Got some long tube headers. Chrome alternator. Front of the motor, we got a chrome water pump. Chrome timing chain cover, an aluminum water pump. This can here, you're wondering what it's for. It's got a little bit of a radical cam, which doesn't produce a lot of vacuum, so we have an extra vacuum reserve for the power brakes. Wiper motor looks new. Also has power steering. That whole power steering system was added, so everything from the steering box, all of it is new. Aluminum radiator too, I just noticed, with chrome cover. Under the hood's painted real nice, new hood insulation, chrome hood springs. Just very tidy, very nice throughout. Not the number one $100,000 car, but very nice, respectable car throughout. I know it's got a stereo, but that cam and those Flowmasters, that's your music right there. That idle. I forgot to mention it has a new steering wheel. You've seen that in the paperwork, and obviously the wheel looks brand new. So it does have the jack assembly mounted on the back tail panel. I knew it had it, but I was kind of wondering, well, I don't see all of it, but it's right there. So there you have it. It's a cool car, big block, 4-speed, healthy muscle car. It looks like a muscle car. It is a muscle car. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions. They'll help get this delivered to your door. They'll help you finance it at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.